For a map, press select or R3.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. So now we're on planet Berlow. It's Berlow if I'm not mistaken. Can I bypass this section? Oh, I can. Not that I think it's needed. Oh, come on, it's not that yet. I'm going to return because I want to head to the other place first. In the meanwhile, I can kill these guys. This weapon is nice. I'm almost not gaining any XP from this weapon. For this weapon. These enemies give little to none. Oh well. Let us head first to this place. I don't see, in this game the swing shot does not automatically detect, so we have to manually equip it like the first one. But from the third game onward, you can simply jump and press the circle button that it activates automatically. Yeah, finally upgraded. Mini nuke. If you guys want a platinum bolt, simply go this and go until the other side. You'll eventually find a platforming section that will lead to a platinum bolt. No. Crap, that was a close one. I'm wasting ammo and I'm not even seeing the meter going up a little bit, so... Oh, come on. Now guys, prepare for one thing. Remember that guy in Ratchet Clank 1 that I said it was very similar to another one? Well, you guys are going to tell me if he isn't very similar to this guy. Only this guy has white hair and the other one had, I think, yellow.
It works! My invention works! Huh? It's called the Therminator. It fires charged thermal pellets that can thaw an ice block or freeze a body of water. Gadgetron will pay me millions.
Hey, I don't know how long you've been frozen, but I don't think Gadgetron's operated in this galaxy for years. Everyone buys Megacorp products these days.
Huh? Hey, maybe you'd like to buy it.
Yes.
Hey, maybe Megacorp is hiring.
Use the Therminator to thaw ice.
And
Try
we got
customizing your quick select in the pause menu.
we got this new gadget. That didn't really find it useful. I only use it because it's mandatory in some places. So besides that, it's a funny idea, but. So this segment is done. Now for the other one. Seeker gun. It's actually very cheap for the destructive power it has. Also one more nanotech. Okay, I think that was kind of useful. It's this thing to do. Get away. Time to change weapons. Yep. Oh yeah, I remember now. The big wave.
Excuse me. I think I just blew another vacuum tube.
Should I have a look?
My word, you young people are so fresh these days. Oh, don't feel bad. I guess I'm just old-fashioned about that sort of thing. Did you know that I've been with Gadgetron since the beginning?
So you sell these gadgets?
Darling, they sell themselves.
So, as you guys can see, we can get free weapons that we bought on Ratchet Clank 1. Even though I didn't buy... Wait, what? Why is the... Okay, it's already... as you guys can see, I have 0 in all weapons, even though, for example, I didn't buy the Decoy Glove, Tesla Claw, and even the Walloper. I didn't get these 3 weapons, even though they appear here at 0. That's because I have my other complete save data that I showcased in the last episode from the Ratchet Clank 1. For that same reason, I have access to these weapons for free. And I'm going to do so, even though I didn't buy in my playthrough. I don't think that's unfair. So might as well. And they don't start full ammo. As you guys can see, these 3 at least, they don't start at full ammo. And also, they don't evolve. They don't upgrade like the other weapons. Don't worry guys, I'm going back. I was just picking the bolts.
Hey, who let you in here? Get lost before I flatten your robot into a hubcap.
Touch him, and it's Plasma City!
Oh gosh, you didn't have to yell. Why did he have to yell?
Hey man.
I can't hear you. La 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 la. Only the little guy.
Sir, it is okay. We are your fellow desert riders.
You are? So you understand my sensitivities?
Absolutely, sir. We just came here to race.
Well, you can borrow my Bluebell, so long as you're gentle. She just needs a few repairs.
Hang in there, my brother. Bluebell is in good hands.
Now we need to fix this and then we'll race. Okay. You guys can see I'm a bit more advanced than the other racers. I missed that one. Ah crap, I missed that one too. I hate not going full speed. That's the guy that was in last place. Was it? And is. Oh, I missed that one. That's so lame. Ah. Crap, I thought I was going to be killed. Oh well.
Great racing, buddy. Here, take this helmet so the guys know you're one of us.
Thank you, sir.
Uh-oh. Incoming message from the boss. Attention all Thugs for Less employees. First of all, whatever slug brain's been eating all the choochie bars in the break room, better quit stuffing his face, or I'll... Hey, turn those lights off! It's bad feng shui. Ahem. Next, our space rendezvous point has been moved to, and listen up, knuckleheads, the Felsen system in Sector 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're no good with numbers, find a buddy to help you. Lastly, the company picnic is this Sunday. Don't forget to bring your own juice this time. Hey! I saw that, Cletus! You just earned yourself a write-up.
Don't worry. The boss only yells because he loves us.
Yes, sir. I do feel his affection.
Did you see that broadcast?
Not really.
We should scope out that rendezvous point.
Yes, we might intercept some stray transmissions.
I think all the missions are complete. Yep. Oh, it wasn't this what I wanted to do. You're still here? Go join your friends. This is a spaceship level.